Yeah, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to integrate Google Wallet with other Google services. Now you can integrate Google Wallet with Google Pay. All you have to do is just link your Google Wallet account to Google Pay, and that's going to help you to enable seamless payments. And then you can just use Google Pay for online transactions such as purchasing apps or making online payments. You could also integrate Google Wallet with Google Express, and how you want to do that is to just link your Google Wallet account to Google Express, and that's going to help you to enable fast and easy checkouts. And you just use your Google Express for shopping, and Google Wallet will automatically handle the payments. Now, for integrating Google Wallet with Google Play, all you want to do is just link your Google Wallet account to Google Play to enable seamless app and content purchases, and then just use Google Play for apps and content purchases, and Google Wallet is going to automatically handle the payments. Now, for Google Wallet integration with Google Assistant, all you have to do is just link your Google Wallet account to Google Assistant to enable voice activated payments, and then just use Google Assistant to voice activate payments, such as sending money to friends or paying bills, and that's going to be taken care of. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked the video, hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.